Kelly, welcome back to Yard Sale Squad. Today I want to show you how I took this adorable train and made it even more perfect for our family. The fabric pulls that came with this train didn't match and they weren't really my style, so I decided to remove them and replace them with some fabric that I already had. Of this piece was uneven to begin with, so I ended up sanding and staining it. It definitely didn't absorb the stain as much as I had hoped, but we still made a definite improvement. Sweater was also a thrift find last year, and I just think it's darling.